read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamu alaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we taught to the students lowercase letter k, its small letter k. We taught its formation, vocabulary words and sound. First of all, it's very important to teach the formation. So let's start. Start from the first line, come straight down, make slant line, make another slant line. It will make lowercase, means small letter k. Okay? After that, घर की दुनिया में आप क्या सिखा सकते हैं? कैचअप, बच्चों का बहुत फेवरेट होता है. तो कैंगरू, कैटल के बाद आप क्या सिखा सकते हैं? केक, क क क, कैचअप, क क क, कैचअप, क क क, कैचअप. After that, we will teach this sentence. The kangaroo sits near the kettle. Then we will count how many K's are there. फिर हम count करेंगे कि इस sentence में कितने K हैं. तो kangaroo का first letter K and kettle का तो 2 K's are there. After that हम पूछेंगे कि kangaroo किसके पास है? kettle के पास. और kettle के पास who sits near the kettle? Kangaroo. I hope so you enjoyed our today's lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.